Hello guys, welcome to a new video. It's been a while I have uploaded any video. ऐसे किसी का फर्क तो नहीं पड़ता क्योंकि कोई देखता नहीं है, बुरा लग रहा है, दिल से बुरा लगता है, कोई बात नहीं. So today we have a new topic to do, known as baiting. Yes, you have heard correctly, it's baiting. Roll the new intro, the new one for this one. Let's start. A new one for this one. Let's start. Take 3 bananas, peel them off gently, and then put it on a plate. And then cut it inch by inch into pieces, and I've said pieces, into pieces. Then put it into a blender, nice gently, close the lid smoothly, then put it into the machine, lock it, turn it on. Pour the batter into 2 patilas. You have to take 2 patilas, pour it there. Now after you have poured it with gently, you have to add 2 chammach of ghee in both of them and mix it well. Mix it very well, very well. Then add a little bit of sugar if needed. I suggest don't add, as bananas are already sweetened, the batter or cake I should say, unless you are craving for sugar like a citro. No need to add, or you are addicted to it. Then add some cinnamon, dalchini powder or cinnamon to have some swad and sugan to it. I know it sounds good. Now you have to add cocoa powder, 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder in 1 patila, as we have to make 1 patila as chocolate banana cake and another one is banana cake, or I should say. Then add 2 teaspoon or चम्मच, हिंदी में और भी मिलेगा, दही in both of them and mix it very well. And then add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 of baking soda in both of them. Mix it well. And then add 2 cup of katori 2 टफ, ओ शिट यार क्या बोल रहा हूँ मैं, मीन्स टू से 2 कप और कटोरी ऑफ आटा। मैं हिंदी में बता देता हूँ, मुझे तो पता है सबके पास कप और नहीं होता है, वो मेजरिंग वाला आटा इन बोथ द बैटर एंड मिक्स इट वेल। And then take your baking mold and grease it with some ghee. You can grease it with oil or butter, whatever you had. You can also add butter, remember it, and mix it well. Mix it, sorry, what I said. Means grease it well with ghee and sprinkle some all-purpose flour or maida. Preheat and then pour the batter. I suggest pour the normal banana cake batter first, then add chocolate, then means you have to do layer by layer. And then preheat and wait at 180 degrees Celsius for 60 minutes. Now we will wait 60 minutes. No, we will jump after 60 minutes. Let it be rest for 5 minutes. Let it rest for 5 minutes. And then unmold it and serve and enjoy it. Thanks for watching and listening.